Hey, we're working on a 2016 TLX. We're doing the rear brakes. This is the one with electronic parking brake assist. So I'm gonna show you how to do it without a tool. These are majority tools you'll need. Obviously, take the wheel off, and these will come in very handy. So first thing, take the wheel off, put the jack stand underneath there, and we're going to start by taking off the brake caliper. Take off the caliper. This outer bolt is a 13, and this one just put a vice grip just to hold it in place from spinning. And this is where the ratchet and wrench comes in place. Comes in handy. And now that the bolt is off, you just have to take this little clip out, and so we can start working on taking out this clip connector in the back. Okay, so in order to get more room to actually work on the caliper, there is a 12 on the back right here. So you just take this 12 out to get more room. Okay, so now you have room to maneuver the caliper. You have to get this clip off. Basically, just pry that back and then just pull the connector off. Let's get a small screwdriver, stick it inside here, pry it up, and then pop it off. So that clip inside there, you just basically slide the screwdriver in and pry it up. So this way you could just slide it out. T30 Torx is basically right, lefty loosey. Take it off. Make sure you don't strip the bolts. So with the screws out, now I just gotta wiggle and take the motor out. So for this portion of the job, you actually have to put a T45 into this slot in the back, and you're gonna tighten it righty-tighty. You do it all the way till it stops. Then you could go and compress the piston in the front. So, stops. So now you just try to compress this piston in the front. You actually have to turn it right clockwise for the piston to go in. You just compress the piston. So the piston has been compressed. Now I just put the cover back on. So now I just put the motor back on to prevent any dirt and debris from getting in it. Now you just tighten them down with the wrench. Okay, so this portion of the job is finished. Now let's go on to changing brake pads. I have new clips, so I'm changing these also. Okay, here are all the parts that I got from Honda. This is just for this side. Two black ones, and this silver one goes on the outside brake pad. And this one with the lever, this goes on the inside of the brake pad. So now I just gotta put these on. Pretty simple. Go on like this. So this is a pad that goes on the inside. Put a clip on like this. This is the outside pad. And this silver one goes on the outside. So that's how it goes. Now we just gotta wiggle this one in, and this section goes at the bottom. So this is how the clip looks. So you gotta put it into place like this. It's just like a retention clip to keep the pressure on the pads. So with the brake pads on, now would be a good time to lube the pins to prevent the caliper from sticking. So the screw is back in, the 12. Now don't forget to install this line. So everything is back together. All you really have to do now is just put the wheel back on and go inside and step on the brakes.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face. Tell me that you love me,